Some parts of the research community are obviously very well equipped, I guess, to do these sorts of analyses. But they would need that data that you have, and obviously you couldn't provide that data without anonymizing it, I guess. So is it possible, or are there barriers to you releasing the scores of grant outcomes publicly so that researchers in the community can themselves make a full transparent analysis to check your processes? Kind of, have you considered partnering with researchers with anonymized, I guess, data?
Yeah, thank you for a very good question, Senator. We've taken a mini transformational step, if you like, by shifting to provide each individual with as much information about their application process as we can, and we've rolled that out over about the last 12 to 18 months. And I think it'd be fair to say that that's been incredibly well received by the researchers and the research sector. We have actually shared data on particular occasions. So, for example, we did work with the Ambassador for Women in STEM, and under very particularised circumstances, we did allow them to do some analysis, which was incredibly welcome and useful. And they've done a couple of reports based on that, and particularly there's one already that's public, and we asked them in for a briefing in February this year on that, and they were particularly looking at the pertinency of using anonymised application processes, and that was very welcome, and they've done subsequent work as well. So there are certainly instances where we can share data. We're happy to look into the way we do that. We do see it as a benefit in certain occasions to get good analysis, and that's a very welcome line of feedback for us. And it would be fair to say that we found the work that we did together, or enabled the Ambassador for the Women in STEM to do, was quite enriching for our thinking and our thought processes.
It would be really great if you could consider this for this process as well.